In today's cover story, the doors will open into a brilliant white space, and the Apple faithful who've waited patiently in line for 2 days shall receive their new iPhones. The line that began Wednesday afternoon in Chicago had more than 24 people and went around the block. Web designers and mobile app developers staked out their claims at the front of the line first.
I'll probably get the iPhone 6. I think the iPhone 6 Plus is a little big for me.
Apple stores, Best Buy, AT&T, and Verizon all plan 8 a.m. openings to sell iPhone 6 as low as $200 and the 6 Plus as low as $300. The Apple Watch not yet for sale until early next year.
I can wait on that. I am excited about it, but right now it's all about just getting this new phone.
When it does come out, do you think you'll buy the watch also?
Yes.
A scandal recently over security threatened to shake some of their faith. First, nude photos of celebrities were believed hacked from the iCloud.
The way that the content was accessed actually wasn't in any way a breach of their security. It was simply either weak passwords, passwords had been used for other accounts which had been revealed in leaks.
And some are a little wary of Apple Pay, which extends consumers' use of their iPhones for purchases.
I'll use Apple Pay if it depends how much it's out. You know, I've only seen it in cabs, so if it's everywhere, I'll use it. I am kind of skeptical because all my information is on my card, and if I lose it, what will happen?
Apple has since strengthened security measures, including password protection. And CEO Tim Cook tried to reassure consumers with this note posted on the company's website, saying, "We don't monetize the information you store on your iPhone or in iCloud, and we don't read your email or your messages to get information to market to you."
I did like the way Tim Cook addressed it, and I think that is a big issue to me, is the fact that Apple does come out and say, we are not in the business of collecting your data. I think that kind of makes a huge difference between them and Google.
There are also numerous offers from stores and carriers to encourage trade-ins, older iPhones, some with credits toward also a new iPad.